First test of sound. Today is the day for mounting an Italian part on the machine. New exhaust, HPCorse SP2. Let's see how it is on the machine. Okay, first things to do is to remove those two screws for mounting a holder here. I already have the tidy tail from off the road, so it's a little bit different than the original part, but still those two still apply, so we're gonna start with those. Okay, just like that. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, this is the part that goes under the motorbike, and we hold the exhaust here, and it's coming with these spacers. These are the screws and two little washers. And now these are the screws we just removed. The problem is that we cannot remove the washer from the screw for whatever reason, so we need to put the spacer. We need to put the spacer like this here. The problem is that this part, which is not the original part, has a bigger hole here, so we will need a washer there. And for that we are using a part that wasn't included here, which is this one, this washer, to put it here for holding, otherwise it will be too tight. So we won't be using the original washers that came with the set, like this. So we will discard these parts and we will just mount it without it, with this. So this is what we are gonna do now. First, a little bit of thread lockers, Loctite. Just like that, should be enough. Then spacer. Oh, sorry. First, this part, like this. Spacer and the washer. Yeah, like this. And now we will repeat the same with the other one. Okay, next we need to remove this part, and for that we need to remove this screw here and then this big one here. So this is what we are gonna do now. And it gets hot there, you know, and it's like, okay, that should be enough. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ah, come to me. a bit of dirt there. Yes, that's it. Oh man. Why it was so hard because of this. Amazing. Amazing. It's the one of dirt. Okay, I'm cleaning this part so that it's easier to get it in. We don't need to put anything inside, but yeah. Amazing, yes. Beauty. Swing. Amazing, huh? So nice. Yes. How am I supposed to put this thing here? Okay. Okay, let's assemble this one. There, and there. Amazing. And that's it. That's it. Amazing. And now the springs. We need to mount the springs, but we need something. Oh, this wasn't easy, huh? Again, always the springs. But with the help of a screwdriver, managed to put it in. And yeah, so this is how it looks. Let's see how it fits. So the final steps is actually to release this one a bit in order to attach it to the motorbike. Alright, so this goes like this. Which oh man, how am I supposed to put this thing here? I can't. It doesn't fit. So we're gonna remove the footrest because otherwise it's very hard to fit the exhaust here, and let's see if that helps without having to remove anything else. Yes, much easier now. Much easier now. There it is. There it is. There it is. But wow, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, let's tighten this part here. We leave it like this. We will finish it a bit later. Okay. Now, if you do this, it's impossible to screw this one here again. So it's impossible with the pipe. So yeah, very difficult to attach this thing from any angle. From any angle that we tried, it is very hard to put this thing in. From behind, it doesn't matter. It is impossible because yeah, you are here. So the solution is, since we need this thing, remove the exhaust again, reinstall the footrest, and try to see if we can fit it again from a different angle. That's very good. Yeah, we need to try to move this one, the plate holder, a bit down, just to avoid that this is so close to the exhaust and avoid that it burns. Finding the right position. It should be compatible, this part, with the HPCorse, but yeah, still trying to find gaps, and it's very close. Let's see. Once the pipe is there, we have to put the screw back to avoid vibrations, and also because we don't want to lose that screw in case we want to mount the original exhaust back. So yeah. Alright, let's tighten it. So one of the things I see is that the footrest is very close to the pipe. So there is like maybe 1 millimeter, half a millimeter. I hope this is not a problem. I mean, it's metal and metal, but yeah, it's very close. Very close. So I could try to turn it a bit, but not quite sure, because the pipe came just in place there. So maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah. And the other thing is the indicator. We had to move the plate again back and use this gap. It's more or less like a finger in between. Hopefully that should be enough with the heat. Also behind. Yeah, so that's more or less the result. Okay, first test of sound.